The identifier extension identifies a macOS Launchpad identifier file containing application identification metadata for the macOS Launchpad application launcher. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand or troubleshoot these system configuration files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the identifier format, but we'll attack the top issues first. Identifier files are macOS system files used by Launchpad, the application launcher grid, to track and identify installed applications. They contain bundle identifier strings that uniquely identify applications for Launchpad's icon arrangement and organization database. macOS identifier files contain simple text strings representing application bundle identifiers in reverse-DNS format, such as com.apple.Safari. They are stored within Launchpad's internal database structure and referenced during the application grid rendering process. macOS is the standard set by Apple Inc. for accessing the identifier format. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows cannot display meaningful details, so specialized applications must interpret the index. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your identifier file and choose Open With. If macOS is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the identifier file opens. When your identifier file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here's a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your identifier problem. First, understanding the file. Identifier files are internal macOS system components that do not require user interaction. They are automatically managed by Launchpad when applications are installed, moved, or removed. Changes to these files may cause Launchpad display inconsistencies. Next, resetting Launchpad. If Launchpad displays incorrect or duplicate application icons, reset the Launchpad database by running defaults write com.apple.Doc, reset Launchpad, bool true, and then kill all doc in terminal. This rebuilds all identifier references from scratch. Finally, troubleshooting missing apps. If applications are missing from Launchpad, verify they are installed in the Applications folder. Reset Launchpad using the terminal command above to force a complete rescan. Applications installed via the Mac App Store are automatically tracked through their bundle identifiers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.